Hello guys, I'm Naveen Balaji. I'm Y17 from Aerospace Department. I am a research-oriented student who ended up with an intern at Mitsubishi. Today I will be sharing you some of my research journey at IITK. I will also speak about my research work and answer some generic questions on research intern. Also, I will provide you some glimpse of the opportunities available particularly for aerospace students. In the first part, I will talk about my experience and skills. Then I will talk about the general research intern process. In the final section, I will give you some of my advice for people aiming particularly for research. Then I will answer some of the common FAQs among students. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm a research student majorly working on aerial robots. I'm interested in developing methods and algorithms for drone navigation. In the third year of my summer, I got an opportunity to work with Mitsubishi Japan. But due to the current pandemic situation, I am continuing my research work from my home with the same organization. Let me say about my skills and experience. In my first year, I have attended every Assembly Club workshops. Then, till my second year, I had worked in the aerial robotics and electronics club team. These team taught me fundamentals in robotics and many engineering softwares. I had done around 4 significant projects in the club. In the second year summers, I got the search fellowship to work under Dr. Mangal Kothari and Dr. Abhishek of Aerospace Department. I started working under them on the navigation of drones particularly. Then the work we did was an exceptional one, and we ended up in a paper accepted at international conference, and we also got one patent. I was very happy about it, and this project taught me a lot of formal procedures for research. My process of intern was not through SPO or not through emailing prof. It was different than the conventional method. I got the intern through my professor's reference, and it was the consequence of my project. The Mitsubishi company had partnered with my professor and was interested in my project to implement it in their industries. Then my prof and I have started working on this extensive new research project for the company in which we will execute tasks for their interest. Let me summarize this section what I told. I was actively involved in the club and team activities. I enjoyed implementing algorithm over drones. Then I got a good project under the prof which completely changed me and brought me here. Okay, coming to the next section. I have also explored some of the standard ways of getting a research intern. There are a lot of opportunities available to students. Some of the tips are regularly monitor the IITK Office of International Relations website for foreign research programs. You can find a lot in there. The major of the funded internships require you to submit a research statement and a recommendation letter. So take care on that. Start preparing it early. Start using some of the academic utilities like Google Scholar page. Go through your interest area, read some popular articles on that section, then start to explore which research group has contributed that particular paper, and finally mail that respective professor, but with some precautions. Mail the prof as a general thing, like make your email as a research statement. Do not include your CV as an attachment. Add a link for your CV or portfolio. Then highlight your coursework and lab skills. Include your availability dates also for your intern. Your reference contact is important. Okay. Then for the next section, the things I will advise for research aspirants are: don't procrastinate your ideas or project. Start approaching our institute professors as early as possible. Have a regular discussion with your project advisor. They will guide you better and help you to reach your final goals smoothly. Spend your first and second year summer holidays in an explorative way. Try some new projects and internships than the courses. Take your ESOs carefully in the second year. It can be your research foundation. Take courses that are challenging and useful. Don't just go for grades. Courses like probability, optimization, data structure, numerical analysis, machine learning will be helpful for a vast domains. Then PG courses will be helpful for increasing your research work. Then in third year, utilize your UGP wisely. There are no constraints on your branch in research. You can contact professors from any department and take UGP. Day to day, AI community is growing big. So many of the computer science courses are now available in the online platform. So try some ML courses in online platform. Utilize these Coursera in our summer pandemic situation. Okay. Then for aerospace students, the scenario of an intern at SPO is not easy. Always talk to your branch seniors for the reality. As aerospace has a diverse field, the scope of research in our department is higher. In my view, follow your dreams, do the work properly, it will definitely open a path for you. Coming to the next part, now I will answer some of the common questions and misconceptions among students. So I have received around four questions. I will read it out and answer them. Can we get a good internship by focusing on coursework? No. The SPO hiring procedure contains several processes. Everything can't be excelled with the grades. The grades will only be helpful for academic interns through IITK officers. Coming to the second question, is it necessary to convert to MTech in Aero for getting a core job? Okay. When I interacted with some of the seniors in my lab, the majority of the master students got core placement. You will definitely have a higher chance for a core job when you are in masters than your BTech degree. So you can try out converting that. If you got a job in your fourth year, it's fine. Otherwise, you can continue your masters and get a core job in fifth year. How to get a research intern in good universities? So, answer for this is show your full potential for doing research with them. Top universities always expect some good projects and recommendation letters. So, give them a priority. Professor's contact is another one important thing. Then your grades, obviously. Then I want to clarify another one concept among students. In research, your work and your advisor are the essential things than the lab in which you are working on. Coming to the fourth question, I am interested in space. Is there any space company with job offers? Okay, I have not heard of any space related jobs in SPO. I do recommend you to check Dr. Ashish Tiwari of our aerospace department, who has an excellent publication in space research. If you want any space job offers, you can always go for ISRO. It is always open for you. But it is off-campus thing with a small entrance selection procedure. It is easy to crack. Okay. Coming to the conclusion part, in the research world, professors' relation is the most important thing to grow forward. No matter what you work, the skills you gain are the most important thing. It will help you to shape your career. Then remember that you are the only one deserved for your goals. So have confidence in yourself and this whole application process. Okay, good luck. I am always available to clarify your doubts. You can contact me anytime. Finally, I am thanking the counseling service and ANC for giving this opportunity to speak. Thank you.